Hey guys, this is Hokma Finance Canada, where financial wisdom meets Canadian expertise. Subscribe now for smart money moves. We will also include links for some of the banking products we recommend in the description below. In this video, we're going to show you how to rename your account on TD Canada EasyWeb. On their website, you will see a section for EasyWeb Online Banking. Click on the Login button under EasyWeb Online Banking. Now, log in with your username or access card and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options on the left side menu. Click on the option that says My Profile and Settings. On this page, you will see a section for Account Settings. Beside it is an option that says Edit. Click on Edit. Under Account Settings, you will see a section for account names. Beside it is an option that says Rename Your Accounts. Click on Rename Your Accounts. Now, under My Account Name, enter the account name you wish to use. After entering the new account name, click on Save Settings. Now your changes has been saved. That's how you rename your account on TD Canada EasyWeb. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.